Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. Today we're answering a common question. Does Cloudflare actually stop brute force attacks on WordPress? Yes, it can stop most of them, but only if you set it up the right way. First of all, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. Now, navigate to the plugin settings, then Threat Protection, and select Bot Protection. You'll see the option for Cloudflare Turnstile right there. Turnstile is a privacy-friendly alternative to CAPTCHA that protects your forms without annoying your users. Start by enabling the protection for your default WordPress forms, like login, registration, and comments. Next, you'll need your site key and secret key. You can get these for free from your Cloudflare dashboard. We are using a dummy key for the testing purpose. You'll find Cloudflare dashboard link in the description box, so you can get the real keys. Once you paste them in, the plugin will confirm that Turnstile protection is active. Now, let's look at the general settings. You can customize the appearance with light or dark themes, and choose the language setting to auto-detect. Disable the submit button until the check is complete to ensure maximum security, so enable this switch. Under advanced settings, you can adjust the widget size. Next, the appearance mode. You can set it to always, or choose interaction only, so it only appears when someone actually interacts with the form. Next, we have defer scripts. When enabled, it defers the plugin's JavaScript files. You can turn it off if it causes any issues with your other optimizations. You can even customize the error messages that appear if a verification fails. A default message is already set. However, you can set your own message from here by enabling the switch. Next, if you want to make things easier for your team, use the whitelist settings. This allows logged in users or specific IP addresses to skip the Turnstile challenge entirely. Enter their IP and press enter to add. Next is the user agent setting. Here you can whitelist trusted user agent strings so they bypass the Turnstile challenge. Just be careful, user agents can be easily spoofed by attackers. Finally, enable the Turnstile log so you can monitor recent activity. Once you're happy with the setup, hit Save Changes. Now for the final check, go to another browser and visit your admin login page. You will see a Cloudflare verification widget appearing in the form. Whenever anyone tries to log in, Cloudflare Turnstile will silently verify they are human. It's a smooth experience for users that provides ironclad protection against brute force bots. Your account is now protected from brute force. Download Ultimate Security link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more WordPress security video.